segment, we will be diving into the details on the ins and outs of this topic, such as how the cycle occurs, its effect and impact, and how it benefits the environment. On the other hand, we will also explain and illustrate the anthropogenic activities that affect the cycle. Most importantly, our goal for this video is to raise awareness and offer effective ways to help the environment.
To start, we will explain the sedimentary cycle. What is sedimentary cycle? Well, it is a biogeochemical cycle in which circulation mainly occurs in the lithosphere, or the Earth's crust, to then transpose to water bodies and back to the sediment. By this, it contains two phases: solution, which is water-related, and rock, which is sediment. In the solution phase, weather mixes minerals from the Earth's crust in the form of salts, some of which dissolve in water, pass through a series of organisms, and then reach the deep seas, where they fall out of the cycle. While in the rock phase, other salts deposit as sediment and rock in shallow seas, eventually being weathered and recycled. The following nutrients harvested through the sedimentary cycle include those of iron, calcium, sulfur, phosphorus, and other earth-bound elements. Examples that fall under the sedimentary cycle are the phosphorus cycle, sulfur cycle, iron cycle, and calcium cycle.
How important is it? The sedimentary cycle is crucial to ecosystems because it acts as a recycling system in nature. It is vital for transferring and replenishing much needed nutrients between the land, water, and sediments. Though the sedimentary cycle is slow going because of elements that possibly get trapped in the reservoir plume, it plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate and supporting the growth and survival of living organisms.
Next is the phosphorus cycle, again a biogeochemical cycle that is responsible for transportation and alteration of phosphorus in soil, water, living, and dead organic material. The phosphorus cycle transpires as it moves steadily from sediments and deposits on land to living organisms and then much more slowly back into soil and water sediments. With this, it is mainly stored in rocks and sedimentary deposits that are released by weathering, leaching, and mining.
Phosphorus cycle is indispensable because phosphorus is made up of molecules that store energy and fats essential for plants and animals, as well as enabling energy transfer and building of genetic material in DNA. This is why the cycle's importance lies in how it naturally supplies phosphorus over time, provides nutrients to the water, and serves to increase the productivity of that particular ecosystem.
Both these cycles are tied to the Earth's crust. This makes it easier for humans to increase fluvial sediment delivery by deforestation that can contribute to the sediment load, damming of rivers that affects where sedimentation can occur, mining, which affects rock weathering, and agriculture, which causes soil erosion. Land use changes such as urbanization can increase soil erosion and sediment delivery to the rivers and streams. All of these anthropogenic activities have harmful effects on the environment and contribute to its degradation.
To fight against anthropogenic effects, there are a few ways we can help, such as conserving and restoring the natural spaces that allow us to protect the biodiversity we contain, which is essential for limiting emissions and reducing climate impacts. Reducing land use change can help reduce sediment delivery. Applying soil conservation practices such as no-till farming, cover cropping, and contour farming can diminish soil erosion and sediment delivery to rivers and streams. Implementing excellent management of stormwater management can also help lessen the sediment delivery to rivers and streams. Most of all, increasing public awareness about the negative impacts of sediment delivery on the environment can help encourage individuals and communities to take action and allow the increase of sedimentary cycles.
In conclusion, understanding the sedimentary and phosphorus cycles is crucial for appreciating the delicate balance of nutrients in our ecosystems. These cycles play a pivotal role in sustaining life on Earth. To ensure the continued health of our planet, it is imperative that we embrace sustainable practices that respect these natural cycles through education, awareness, and responsible stewardship of our environment. We can work together to safeguard the essential nutrient cycles that support life on Earth for generations to come.